Welcome to Engine Pulse. In this video, we'll dive into detailed steps to enhance your car's performance and deliver the best driving experience possible. We'll uncover key car maintenance secrets, from engine care to fuel optimization, handling, and acceleration. If you're ready to improve your road performance and sharpen your driving skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Part 1. Engine care and internal system cleaning. The first and most crucial step for boosting your car's performance is engine care, as the engine is the heart of the vehicle. Always use the recommended oil type by the manufacturer and change it regularly. Engine oil plays a major role in maintaining engine performance and preventing the buildup of harmful deposits. Additionally, take care of the engine cooling system by checking coolant levels and the radiator's effectiveness, especially on long drives to avoid overheating. Part 2. Fuel system optimization and injector cleaning. Our second tip focuses on the fuel system, which significantly impacts overall performance. Make sure to use the appropriate fuel and avoid low-quality options. We also recommend cleaning the fuel system using specialized cleaners to clear any deposits in the injectors. Regularly checking the fuel pump can make a big difference, as a well-performing pump ensures efficient and fast fuel flow to the engine, which can greatly boost performance while saving fuel. Part 3. Tire care and air pressure. Tires directly affect stability and handling responsiveness. Regularly check tire pressure to ensure each tire is ready for optimal performance. Proper tire pressure can reduce fuel consumption and give you better control on the road. If you drive in different conditions like rough terrains or rainy weather, consider special tires such as sports or winter tires, which enhance stability and performance according to road conditions. Part 4. Reducing excess weight in the car and getting rid of unnecessary luggage. It may seem simple, but removing unnecessary weight from inside the car can directly improve both performance and fuel consumption. Get rid of any tools or items you don't need while driving to ensure a quicker engine response. If you're planning a long trip, avoid overloading the car with items that may affect its aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Part 5. Brake maintenance and improving control. Braking systems are essential for maintaining safety and stability while driving, but they also impact overall car performance. Check the braking system regularly, especially if you're driving at high speeds. Invest in quality brake components, as they not only enhance performance, but also boost your confidence when driving at higher speeds or on rough roads. Part 6. Improving the car's aerodynamics. Aerodynamics play a big role in performance. The more streamlined the car, the less air resistance it faces, which helps with speed and vehicle responsiveness. Make sure to keep the car free of items that hinder aerodynamics, like unnecessary roof racks. You can further improve your car's aerodynamics with a light spoiler or other dynamic components that add stability and reduce fuel consumption. Part 7. Using proper driving techniques to improve performance. Driving skills directly impact performance. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden acceleration and braking as much as possible, as this reduces fuel consumption and keeps car parts in good condition. Economic driving habits, such as gradually lifting your foot off the accelerator when stopping, can lower consumption and improve performance. And there you have it. These are our top tips for enhancing your car's performance, making your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. These simple steps can make a big difference in your daily driving. Let us know in the comments. What's your go-to tip for improving car performance? Share your experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for all the latest in the car world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.